Hello, welcome to VSTL Basics. Today we are going to see about if-else statement syntax in Verilog actually. For that we are going to take an example of counter. There are three input in the counter: clock, preset, and reset. Clear actually. Clear will used to clear the count value. Preset is used to set the default value of the counter, and clock with respect to this clock only we are going to count. Here we are going to use behavior model. So for that we need to use always block, right? So inside always block, if we are going to assign any value to the particular variable, we need to declare that as a reg. That's why output reg 3 down to 0 q. That's why we are giving reg to the output value q actually, output variable q actually. And also preset and clear is the active low signals actually. So initially we need to check the preset and clear is out of the active state actually. So for that we are checking preset equal to 1 and also clear equal to 1. Then the counter will start count, right? So that's why we are giving here q equal to q plus 1 actually. Though if you can see the syntax for if statement here actually, if and the condition statement and begin, it should end. If there is only one line, we no need to give begin end actually. If there is multiple lines we are going to use inside the if statement, right, then we need to give begin and end. This is like open and close braces in the C program actually. If you see here, right, and we are going to use if else statement. Here we are going to check preset is asserted or not, and with respect to the clear actually, clear should be 1 when the preset is 0, right? Because the always clear will be the higher priority one. If clear equal to 0, then we will clear the count value here actually. That is in the else statement here, q equal to 0. If preset is 0, clear is 1, right? Then we need to set the default value for that particular counter, which is nothing but 15 here actually. So here all the assignments are in the binary form. Since we are using 4-bit counter, right? We are using 4 tick B all zeros for when we are clearing, 4 tick B all ones for when we are presetting that value. When we are adding 1 bit to particular current value, right? So for that we are adding 1 tick B1 to the current value of Q. So this is the basic counter. Hope you understand the syntax of if else statement in the Verilog actually, uh, and also basic counter how it behaves actually. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share the video if you like it. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.